Hey guys, welcome back. Today we've got another release of GoldenHen V2.4B18.6. In this new update, some really cool features have been added like BD app AutoKill, disk AutoEject, plugins downloader, and AIO fix plugin support. So let's dive right into it. First, head over to Settings, Network, and make sure your PS4 is connected to the internet. Once that's done, open up the PS4 internet browser and go to the Jailbreak exploit webpage. Click on Go, and when you're there, you'll see the 9.00 FW manual option. Just click on that, and it'll take you straight to the exploit page. Now on this page, you'll see the new GoldHEN option. Go ahead and click it, and when it asks you to plug in the USB, just do that. And as you can see, the PS4 is now successfully jailbroken. All the new GoldHEN settings are available. Let's go ahead and test a game, and yep, it's running perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.